Welcome to Labrador Hill. Hello everyone, this is Maze and we are on Shop Home CA. We are building our YouTube video. Please hit subscribe. And this is our space that we're going to start creating our home on. And up there is going to be where we start our home. And over here is going to be, sorry to pan, our place where we're going to start with the shop. When you start on raw land, I believe that you need to carve out a little niche, something that starts to feel like home. So we started with this incredible little patio area, and most of the stuff, which is amazing because we need to do things on a budget. We had our home in the Caldor fire destroyed and completely burned down, and we bought new land to build our new beginning on. So we had to do it on a budget, and most of the stuff that you see right here in our little patio area that we've started with was, purchased on Facebook Market. Most of these chairs were either $2 or for free. And so we created a little patio area. We did get the fire pit for free also, and the little flagstones that people were giving away. So we started off with probably a budget of, I think it was about $30, and we created this space in through here to start the land off. So please help follow us, help us grow our page, and thank you for listening.